Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix the AI manga filter on TikTok not working. So basically, if this is gonna do for you, and basically the AI manga filter is missing on the TikTok application whenever you search for it. So I'm gonna show you guys first the proper way of doing this so that you might be doing the wrong way, which is why you're not seeing the AI filter. So I'm gonna tap on my plus icon right there on the middle of the screen, tap on my effects tab, and from here I want you to go ahead and search for the AI manga filter. And once you have already searched for that, of course, you should see that filter right here. In the case that you can't see this and it is missing, what are the ways that we could do to fix that? Well, all we need to do in order for us to fix this issue is to make sure that our TikTok applications is actually updated to the latest version. So search for TikTok on your app stores, guys, and I want you to see if there is an update available. Now, if there is an update available, I would like you guys to go ahead and basically update your applications. And if you are going to update your applications, that's going to give you much more features than before. And in the case that you don't really have your AI manga filter just yet, maybe that update is going to give you that filter already. It's also going to fix a lot of different bugs, and including this bug right here that you cannot see your AI manga filter. You might have that fixed when you update your application. Now, one more big fix that we could also do is to basically make sure that we have a stable internet connection. So having stable internet connection is going to give us a big help in the case that we can't see or we are experiencing this issue. Basically, we do need to make sure that our Wi-Fi is connected with our devices, and in the case that is not working, you could also try your cellular data instead and see which one between the two is going to work better for you. And that's all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next video.